Alright, on number 10, without graphing, we're going to find the vertex and state whether it opens up or down. We're also going to decide if it will be wider, narrower, or the same as y equals absolute value of x. So on number 10, you should notice that your vertex, your h and k, are both 0. So we have a vertex at 0, 0. This one, a, is positive, so it's opening up. And then, is it going to be wider, narrow, or the same as y equals absolute value of x? Because the a is greater than 1, it's going to be narrower. Or you could say more steeper. Part B, you can look at it and tell that your vertex is at -5, -1. Remember, for the h, it's the opposite of what you see because of the minus in the formula. A is positive, so it's opening up. And then this one, the a is 1, so it's the same as y equals absolute value of x. Part C, we have y equals -4, and then in the absolute value x, and then out to the side -3. The vertex, the h, is 0, k is -3. We don't see another number inside of the absolute value, so the h is 0. This one, the a, is negative, so it's going to open down. And because the absolute value of a is greater than 1, it is going to be narrower than y equals absolute value of x. Part D, we have y equals 1/4, and then inside of the absolute value is x minus 2, and then outside -6. So looking for your vertex, your h is +2. It's the opposite of what we see inside of the absolute value. And then outside is -6. So our vertex is 2, -6. This one opens up because a is positive. And it is wider than y equals absolute value of x because the absolute value of a, absolute value of 1/4, is less than 1. So it's wider. This one we've got y equals absolute value of x plus 1, and then out to the side plus 7. The vertex, h, is -1. It's the opposite of what we see inside of the absolute value, and then the k is 7. A is positive, so it opens up. A is 1, so it's going to be the same as y equals absolute value of x.